Hey everyone, if you're diving into data visualization, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to enable map visuals in Power BI. Shall we start? Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. Together with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. Let's jump right in. Sometimes when you try to create a map visual in Power BI, you might hit a snag and see an error message like this. But no worries, I'll show you how to fix that and get your maps up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to enable the map visuals from the settings. Let's go through the steps together. Start by clicking on the File menu at the top left corner of your Power BI desktop. Then, navigate to Options and Settings and select Options from the menu. This will open up the Options window. Here, you want to look for the Security under Global. Click on it. You'll see an option labeled Map and Filled Map Visuals. Simply check the box next to it to turn on the feature. While you're here, you'll also notice an option for enabling ArcGIS for Power BI. We'll cover ArcGIS for Power BI in another video, so make sure to check out the link in the description below. After that, hit OK to save your changes. Now go back to your report and just refresh. You should be able to create map visuals without any error messages popping up, and that's all there is to it. You're now ready to create stunning map visuals in your reports. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to MadeEasy for more tutorials like this one. We have a whole library of content designed to make software learning simple and enjoyable. And if you're new here, we'd love for you to join our community. It's a great way to stay updated on all our latest tutorials. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.